Today, my name is Danielle, and Mike is videotaping. And today we've begun an experiment, today being February 26th, 2008, and it is in the evening. We're starting a 30-day experiment on, I don't know if I'm saying this right, but Masaru Emoto's experiment regarding the effect of words on water. For this experiment we're using rice, and we're using 2 jars that will be completely sealed once we've closed them, and we used some cooked rice. We're going to be putting 1 cup of cooked rice in each jar, and what I'm taping onto the jars is our 2 messages to the rice, one being thank you and then the other one being you fool. And the idea is that the rice will be reading the message, because I don't know if you can see this, but there's thank you on the inside of the jar, that the rice will be reading itself. And the idea is that when I leave the rice in here for 30 days and I speak to the individual jars as often as I like during the day, but only saying thank you to the thank you jar and you fool to the you fool jar, that the thank you jar will not, the rice won't rot as quickly and as disgustingly as the you fool jar. So this is an experiment that was done by Emoto's scientists or assistants, whatever you want to say, and other people around the world that have tried it after learning about his discoveries, and we're wanting to attempt it. So we're just going to get these jars together and videotape it so that we can see exactly what we're doing and just track that we did what the experiment says we should. So I'm just finishing taping on my messages so that the rice can read it. Okay, so this is a half cup measure, so I'll be doing 2 of these per jar. It's cooked, so I made more than I should have apparently. So there's half cup into the thank you jar. And did we discuss how often we'll be tracking this? Every 5 days or any thoughts?
Something like that. Sure.
There's another half cup, which makes a full cup. So the idea is that the rice is reading thank you on in there. We do leave the cups, I think it's about 1 foot apart, so that my words go directly to the jar that I'm speaking to. Otherwise, if they were super close together, then they would both be getting the same message. But they do stay within the same area. So there's the thank you. Oh, this doesn't make our house stink. I'll have to record that note. So that the thank you one doesn't stink that bad, but the you fool smells like disgustingly fermented and rotten. There's a half cup. Do you know what time it is? There's another half cup, which makes a cup. Although I did sprinkle a little there. I don't think that'll make a difference though. Okay, and then this one will be sealed. And I think that one's good to go, so where should we put these? I was thinking above the TV so that the kids can't mess with it and we can speak to it every day.
That works.
And that way the kids can't speak to it. So we're going to be moving these into the living room. Although studies do say that water is also affected by electronics and music and TV, which is amazing. So I don't know if that'll make any difference on our rice. We'll have to see. Then you can't really avoid all that. We'll do thank you first. So we're just going to leave them like that because I think then we can individually talk to each. So we're just going to start by saying thank you and you fool. And this is day 1, and I believe it's like 10:30, 11. It's like 11-ish p.m. So on the 26th. So 5 days from now we will record any differences in the rice, and we will be talking to it on a daily basis. So that's it for today.